Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to hide prices on your Shopify homepage. First, access your Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three dots, open the menu, and select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. On the left, at the top of the file list, you'll see theme.liquid. That's the file we'll use. Click it to open your theme script. Go to line 3 where the header tag is. At the end of this line, hit enter to add a blank line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description. There's a button to copy the code we'll use. Click that button to copy the code. Then go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line we left. Paste the code under Hit. After that, look for the Save button in the top right corner. Click the button and your changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store's homepage, the prices will be hidden. Your products will no longer display their prices. I hope this video helped you. Goodbye.